Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to lock screen on your MacBook Pro. If you want to keep your data safe and secure, then you can easily lock your MacBook Pro. So here's the quickest way you can do so. From your MacBook screen, go to the top left corner and click on the Apple logo. Now, select the lock screen option. Soon after you do that, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to see that you are now prompted to enter your password. You can also press the Ctrl plus Command plus Q keys simultaneously so that you can lock your screen with the keyboard shortcut. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.